Hello and welcome to another TrunSHOP video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a shelving unit like this one with some drawers. Okay, so first thing is we're going to come here on File and start a new project, and we're not going to change the room this time. Okay, so we're going to have our first cabinet 600 of width, 2,500 of height, and 600 of depth. And then we drag and drop like this, and we're just going to place two more exactly the same. So one here and one here, just like this. Okay, now we're going to place 4 shelves on this side and 4 on the other side, and in the middle one, just one like here. Okay, now we're going to place 3 drawers in the bottom part and 2 shelves in the top part like this. Okay, it's starting to get shape. Now we're going to change the depth of this piece right here. So for this we're going to click and click again. So now we have this selected, and the depth, we're going to come here, distance, overhang, and distance to the front we're going to put 300. So this piece will have a distance of 300 to the front of the piece. So it will be like this. Okay, we're going to do the same on this side. So click again. Okay, so distance to the front 300. So as you see, you're going to have this situation here. It's easy to fix. So click again. So we have this piece selected, and the width, we're just going to put the distance, or I'm sorry, overhang left, in this case right, of 25. Okay, the same on this side. So click, and so overhang left this time 25. Okay, now we can change the materials here. 25, search, then we drag and drop the material, and just like that we have our shelving unit. If you have any questions about this design, please let me know and I'll try to answer as soon as possible, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.